Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to Master Switch Designs. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 5 Valentine's Day design ideas for any print-on-demand website in 2022. If you are planning to make designs for this Valentine's Day, watch this video till the very end because I guarantee you this video will help you get those sales that you need for this Valentine's Day. So without wasting any more time, let's get right on with that video. So the first design idea is Valentine's Day plus any other niche that you can think of. If you go to my Instagram, I'll put a link in the description below. You can see I have 30 evergreen niches for merch by Amazon. So select any of those niches and put that with Valentine's and put it in the search results, and you're bound to find designs that are selling and don't have a lot of competition. So if you take this example over here, it says, "I'd pause my game for you." It's a really cool design. You can see the BSR rating is about 400,000, and which is really good. It has 44 ratings. I'm sure it has definitely had many sales. So obviously this niche is gaming and Valentine's Day, but you can add any niche that you want. Specifically, nurses are a good one that sells. Dogs are a really good one that sells. Another example of this niche would be this one right over here. You can see that it's really good. It's used the French Bulldog Valentine's Day t-shirt. It has similar, it has 200,000 BSR ratings, which is really good. I really like this design because it's very specific, and I like the way that they've made it in a heart. It's really appealing, and you can see that with the ratings and with that low BSR. So the good thing about this idea is that it works with every single niche. You can basically even put dinosaurs and Valentine's Day, and you'll have so many designs to work with. So the next design idea that I want to share with you guys today is text inside a heart. I know it's a little cliche, but these designs do sell, and you can make endless variations of designs. I'll show you some simple ones that caught my eye using Amazon. So this is a really good one. It says, "Nah, I'm good." It's kind of a funny anti-Valentine's Day design. Look at that low BSR of 196,000. It's great. And obviously as Valentine's comes closer and closer, these BSR numbers are going to go down. And even it has 55 ratings, which is really good. So you can make designs like this. So even a design like one over here, it has flowers, it's made into a heart, and it has love in the middle. Definitely this is a really good design. I definitely like it because it's really colorful. It's different from the other designs that I've seen. Even though it's a bit cliche, these designs do definitely sell. So this is another example of the text inside a heart design that I showed you. It's similar to the ones that I've shown you before, but I can show you that even with simple variations, you can get low BSRs and good sales even with a simple design. You can see over here it's about 200,000 BSR, which is great. Has definitely had great sales over the past years. And simple design, a little variation of the ones that I showed you before, but definitely it is getting sales. The third design that I want to share with you guys today is an anti-Valentine's Day design. It's kind of for those single people who don't like Valentine's Day, or even some couples don't like Valentine's Day and they wear gag t-shirts. Those type of t-shirts have low BSRs and get great sales during Valentine's Day. I'll show you some examples that I really like. Definitely there are several variations that you can do with this design. The possibilities again are endless. So this design, love is in the air, but so is the flu. So it has kind of a pick on the current global crises that are going on. It has a play. It's definitely got low BSR, 600,000. It's gonna go down as Valentine's Day comes closer. This is a funny anti-Valentine's Day design. Another one that I showed you before was "Nah, I'm good." This is a funny one. It's really simple, but again, really low BSRs, good ratings, and definitely you can make your own variations of this design. Make sure to not copy designs because the person worked probably really hard to come up with the idea. So definitely a variation of this design is okay. So this is definitely another one of my favorite design ideas for either Valentine's Day or basically any other day. it's kind of a mixture of cute slash pun for Valentine's Day. So as the example over here that I've shown you, it says don't go baking my art. I really like some of these designs because they're really clever, and a lot of people do tend to buy these types of t-shirts, people who are a fan of puns, and it's kind of cute, which really works for Valentine's Day. Another one that I really liked was aloe you very much. So it's a picture of aloe vera in the middle, and then it says aloe you very much. Other examples are, so this is kind of a breed of a mixture of like the first design idea. So it's taking a niche together with a funny design. So it's like single or taken. This is one of the designs that caught my eye. Another one was you're the loaf of my heart. It's a really cute design. I definitely see this one selling. You can make variations of this one, and definitely there are so many other puns that you can use. You can find some puns online and maybe put a picture with it, so you can get some decent sales. Another one that I really liked was in the cute section, so like an octopus carrying hearts. It's pretty cute. Again, using another niche plus Valentine's Day and plus cute, so you're kind of using 2 or 3 ideas, mixing them together to make one single design. Definitely you can have maybe have a dinosaur holding balloons or whatever, a penguin, and definitely you're bound to get those sales. So last but not the least, the 5th idea that I want to share with you guys today is small designs making a heart. So this example over here is the one I showed you before. It's a French bulldog. Group them together and in the shape of a heart. These designs really sell, and again, there are endless variations of this design. Another example I want to show you guys is the Hot Wheels design. Obviously, without the Hot Wheels, so definitely this is just an example. We obviously can't make this design because we don't have the rights to Hot Wheels. But this is definitely the type of design that I'm talking about. You can have absolutely anything in your mind and make it into a heart, and it would definitely generate sales. The last one over here that I want to show you is a flamingo in the shape of a heart. Like I said before, anything can be made into the shape of a heart. I've seen like tacos, flowers. I showed you a design before. So definitely any design that you can think of, make it into a shape of a heart. Maybe you don't even have to have any text, and keep it simple, and you are definitely bound to get those sales. So that is it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and hope you could take something back and make some creative designs and get those sales that you want on any print-on-demand website. If you did like this video, please hit that like button. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram. I'll put some links of my other videos in the description below, so please go check them out. Please leave any comments in the comment section below if you have any. If not, thank you for watching.